Hi, this is Marty with SumnerOne Service. Today we're going to download and install a print driver for Konica Minolta. Open up the internet and do a search for Konica USA. It'll bring up the results. I'm going to go ahead and choose Support and Downloads underneath Konica Minolta US. This page under Technical Support, choose Drivers. I'll type in the model of the machine. The machine I'm using is a BizHub C454. Drivers. Here I'm going to choose the operating system. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. Select PCL. And here I'm going to select the second driver. The first driver is for the 4K resolution monitors. So I'm going to click on the second driver. It will download this file. I'm going to click on it so it opens when it's finished downloading. Now what I'll do is I'm going to drag that file that downloaded and place it on the desktop. So I've now successfully downloaded the driver. I'm going to minimize these windows. Now let's install it. I'm going to click on the Windows Start button and type in Control Panel. It will appear and I'll click on it. Here, View Devices and Printers under Hardware and Sound. Next, I'll click Add a Printer. I'll click the printer that I have is not listed. Add a printer using TCP/IP. Click Next. Here, I'll enter the IP address of the machine. Make sure this is unchecked. Turn device type to TCP/IP. Click Next. Now in this case, I could not detect that printer. You typically will not see this screen. You're going to see the very next screen that will appear. I'm going to select Custom, click Next. This is the window that you're going to see because it will find yours on the network. Here I'm going to click on Have Disk. I'm going to browse. I'm going to go to my desktop. Here, I'm going to look for the print driver that sits on my desktop here. So I'll click this and open. Double click Driver, Drivers, PCL, English, Windows 64, and then here's my driver file, and click OK. Next, select the correct series. Mine is a 454, that's actually part of the C554 family. So I'll select that and click Next. You can rename the printer here if you would like. I'll leave it as it is. Click Next. Yes. At this point, this will load that print driver and we'll be almost finished. I do not want to share. I'll click Next and finish here. Now, the last thing that I always like to do is I right-click on the printer and go to Printer Preferences. I want to make sure that this machine is defaulting to single-sided printing and black and white printing. So under the Basic tab, Layout tab, here I'll find my two-sided. I'll change that to one-sided. I know under the Quality tab is where my color option is, so I'm going to select Grayscale. And it's important to hit Apply, then click OK. Last thing I do, little tip, help improve speed of printing, and it'll prevent the printer from going offline. I right-click, Printer Properties, click on Ports, uncheck Enable Bidirectional Support, click Configure Port, make sure the protocol is set to RAW, and make sure SNMP is unchecked. I'll click OK, Apply, OK. We're finished. Thank you.